Tick. Signs, Vocabulary Readers. Lightning. Written by Jeff Bauer. Read by Teacher Mia from High Quality English. Chapter 1. What is a lightning? Lightning zigs. Lightning zags. This book will tell you all about these bright flashes in the sky. Lightning is a giant spark. This spark is made inside a cloud. Zap! A bolt of lightning can go all the way down to the ground. There are different kinds of lightning. Sheet lightning stays inside a cloud. It makes the cloud light up. Fog lightning shoots out of a cloud in bright branches. Lightning is very, very hot. It heats up the air so fast that it makes a loud boom. That is the sound of thunder. Chapter 2. Lightning City. Lightning can be dangerous. Sometimes it strikes a big tree. That can make the tree catch on fire. Sometimes lightning hits tall buildings. But don't worry, they have special lightning rods to make sure the people inside are safe. Lightning can also strike water. That is why you should always get out of a pool or the ocean before storm starts. Where should you go during a lightning storm? Your home is the very best place to stay dry and safe. Chapter 3. Lightning Signs. Long ago, a man named Ben Franklin was curious about lightning, so he flew a kite in a storm. Sparks moved down the string. This told Ben that lightning was electricity. Here is a lightning experiment you can try. When you see lightning, start counting. Stop when you hear thunder. The lightning is 1 mile away if you count to 5. It is 2 miles away if you count to 10. Lightning is so bright that you can see it 100 miles away. But guess what? A bolt of lightning is only about as big around as a quarter. Lightning comes in many different colors. It can be white, yellow, orange, or purple. Purple is the hottest lightning of all. Wow! Look for these colors during the next big storm. The end.